Dear students, I am Prabhat Dubey, your English teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. Today we will discuss about this beautiful poem that is called as Bruegel's Winter, and it is composed by Walter de la Mare. This poem is inspired by a painting that was made during 16th century, and the painter was Peter Bruegel. That's why the title is Bruegel's Winter. In this poem, the beauty of the European nations during the winter time, when there is heavy snowfall, has been depicted in a very beautiful manner. How the nature attracts people during the winter time. What is the beauty that is enhanced by snowfall? How the mountains, the trees, the rivers, and the life of common people is impacted by the snowfall and low temperature. As we know that in European nations, the temperature goes below 0 degree centigrade. There are several places where minus 10, minus 15 degree centigrade temperature is noticed. And in the different cities of Russia and some other places that are very nearer to North Pole and South Pole, the temperature goes below minus 40 as well. So, how the life of animals, human being are impacted by this weather change, and how the vegetations, the grassland, the trees, the forest cope up with this challenging scenario. All these phenomena are very beautifully described in this poem, which is written by Walter de la Mare. So it is clearly mentioned on the page number 27 of your textbook that the poem on page number 28 is about this painting hunters in the snow. The struggle of hunters, as you know that in ancient time, hunting was the main sports, and hunting was the main activity that was providing food to European people mainly, because they are very fond of eating non-vegetarian sources for their food items. So there were different communities that were very proficient in hunting animals. They were using different types of metallic objects like spears, swords, arrows, and they were domesticated different animals that were helping them, like horse and dogs were also there that were used during the hunting. There are some specific breeds of dogs that were very capable of hunting. They assisted the hunters in many ways, how to track the animals and how to reach them. So, if you look at the picture, in this picture you will find how the normal life of common man was is clearly depicted, and there is no leaf on the trees. This is the common scenario. During this adverse scenarios, trees shed their leaves. Okay, and when the favorable time comes, the leaves grow again. This is the mechanism of plants and trees to protect themselves, to conserve their energy. As you know that when the time is adverse, it is gift of nature to the plants that they shed trees, they check their physiological activities, they conserve energy. And when the monsoon time, autumn comes, they try to come to the natural state with all of their energy that is provided through water and minerals. So we will study this poem. Before starting this poem, there are three lines that are written in red ink. It is suggested by the poet. Now read an extract from the poem Bruegel's Winter by Walter de la Mare. Compare the poem with the painting to understand how the poet describes in words the images by the painter. As you know that everything that is written in this poem is this depiction of the painting. The scenes of the painting are described in words in this poem. So it is suggested by the poet that go through the lines and then go back to the picture and try to correlate them, how the beauty of this painting is described in the poem. So the first four lines, the first stanza, it is written that zagged mountain peaks and skies ice green, wall in the wild, cold scene below, churches, farms, bare copse, the sea in freezing quiet of winter snow. Winter has calmed down each and everything that is coming its way. As you know that the human activity is also minimized during the adverse winter period. The mountain peaks are rugged, uneven. Surface of mountains are made even. When the snowfall is there, all the surface becomes even. And when the snow melts, then the real mountain peaks came to the picture. The color of sky also changes. As you know that there is refraction and diffraction of light. So during the winter time, the sky's color have become ice green. Wall in the wild, cold scene below. The entire earth is shivering due to the very low temperature. The wild animals are taking shelters. The activity is very low. Animals are not seen here and there. They are hiding themselves to protect against the winter. Bare of the sea. The sea is also looking frozen. Okay, it is common practice of the river and aquatic bodies as well. When the temperature is very minimal, the upper surface of the river or pond or lake is frozen and the water below that surface is in liquid form. So it appears that the whole lake or whole water body is frozen, but it is not the case. That's why the fishermen break the top cover of ice and then the fish came for the oxygen and then they hunt on them. In freezing quiet of winter snow, the snow of the winter is just like a show of peace, show of tranquility. Because in normal conditions, the human gatherings, the activity of wild animals can be noticed from very far in the forest.